Guys, my name is Skúli from RideWithLocals and in Iceland and South Africa, and I'm here in my office in Hella, where we have moved to operate from Selfoss. We moved here for a bigger, bigger operation this winter, and we are now operating from Hella, that is closer to the mountain. Super cool. I am the reason why I'm here today in the lands is because I would like to show you a little bit behind the scene, what is happening here between the tours, and show you a little bit our support trucks and things like that. So you have a little bit better understanding what we are doing to make this happen for you guys. So I'm going to take a walk here down, and we are going to go and walk a little bit around the workshop and show you what is happening here between the tours and what we are doing to make it happen for you. So come on, come on down. So this is one of the spaces we have. We have 3 spaces like this today, and here we have things to clean the bikes and clean the cars and make things happen. This is also where we are welcoming you when you are coming into the tours, and I'm gonna go here and show you. So this is how it is. We have here a little bit welcoming place where you can change the gear and make yourself ready. I get a lot of questions from people on the emails if they need to gear up in Reykjavik before a tour, and you don't actually need to do it. You can just we are picking you up in the hotel in the mornings before we go, and you can be ready in your normal clothes and gear up here. We have made this special for you to gear up before we are going on the tour. So come on, let's go to the workshop. I'm going to show you what is happening here. Come on. So this is our workshop. Gareth, he is here working on the bikes. How are you, Gareth?
Oh, good.
Are you ready for the next journey?
Yeah, excited.
Yeah, and then we have Ivan. He is there. Are you ready, Ivan, for the next journey?
Absolutely.
So we can take a little bit walk here, guys, through the workshop. Here's the bikes, some of the bikes. And then we have here outside a bike from CF Moto that we were using in the last tour. Okay guys, we have here a CF Moto 450 that we was using in the last tour. We had a famous person with us, very cool guy. Ronnie Renner was with us for 3 days, and I have to say special thanks to Nitro in Reykjavik for letting us have the bike. They loan us the bikes. They are the company who is selling CF Moto in Iceland, and we got this from them to let Ronnie have it because he is promoting CF Moto and working for CF Moto, and we are also using CF Moto in Africa 450s. So that was a good opportunity to see how the bike was working, and it was actually working good. This is my Jeep. This is my toy, guys. This is what I have to support myself through the mountains, and I'm using this Jeep to go into the mountains and pick up bikes and do things. And I also use it in the winter to play with the snow. So this is my toy. So you have already seen the workshop and the first place that we have, and then we have the third place. This is a little bit extra place from us. We have here all the cooling boxes, for the food that you are eating in the mountains. We have some freezers and washing machines and things like that to keep everything clean. And then we have here a tire machine that we are working on. This is almost ready. We are gonna simplify the work process for the tires and use the tire machine. I will show you here a little bit more. We are now fixing our suspensions by ourselves. I bought this machine from Lithuania last winter, and we are capable of taking care of our own suspension. We don't need to take the rear suspension to Reykjavik to fix it. We have a machine for it. And then I'm going to take you a little bit outside and show you the support car, the big red, and I don't know, we have not given the white one a name. Maybe, you know, we can maybe call it Snow White, but that is a little bit too gay for a motorcycle operator. So we will need to find a better name on it. We will see. You can give me solution. You know. Drop your suggestions in the comment of what we should call the white truck, and maybe I will use one of the names that will come there for the truck. So I'm going to show you a little bit the trucks. So guys, there is nothing going to happen in the mountains without a luggage, without the food, and all the things that need to follow to run the show. You know, we are running a show, and we have here a fire truck that I bought in Germany, a super cool car, and have been with me for a few years, working like a maniac through the mountains. And this is one of the super cars that we are using on a tour. And then we have a car that I bought last year and have maintained, and it's ready also for the mountains, and I need a new name on. You will maybe find the name. This is a truck that we are using also. It's a Ford 350 with a 7.3 diesel turbo motor, and a super good car. So this is how it is, and behind it we have a container that is actually full of tires and mooses. This is our tire heaven, and we are gonna put, I think we will move the tire machine in there, put the lights and roof on it, and make it a little bit nicer, and then this is gonna be like I say, the tire heaven. So this is how it is. You can see the trailers and things like that. So this is our place here in Hella, and where we are welcoming you when you are coming here to Iceland on a tour with us. So I'm just gonna say, like I always say from Hella,